Hey everyone, let's look at a loss minimizing situation and a shutdown situation. Take a look at case 2 first. I see at case 2 my profit maximizing or loss minimizing. It will be loss minimizing. Output is 6 units. I get my output level at the intersection of the marginal revenue curve, which is the demand curve, and the marginal cost curve. The average total cost curve is above the price line. If this is the situation, the firm is going through a loss and it might still continue to produce as long as the price line is above the average variable cost of production. So, even if the firm is incurring a loss because the average total cost curve is above the price line, the firm will still continue to produce if it can cover the average variable cost of production. Now take a look at case 3 here. This is the average total cost curve, definitely above the price line. And this is the average variable cost curve that is also above the price line. Over here, the firm is not going to produce anything because the price line is below the average variable cost curve. So we have a case where the firm is shutting down, and the shutdown point is where price is equal to minimum average variable cost. As for example, this is the minimum average variable cost. If this is the price line, this will be the shutdown point. Now show you the numbers here. The loss minimizing case, the loss is equal to negative $64. The price is equal to $81. That is greater than the average variable cost, which is $75. So as long as the firm can cover the average variable cost of production, is going to continue to produce. The reason for this is if the firm shuts down, the loss will be the fixed cost, which is 1 times 100, which is $100. But if the firm continues to produce, the loss will be $64. So it's better off to continue to production and incur a loss of $64 than to stop production and incur a loss of $100. Now the shutdown case here, the price at all levels of output is less than the average variable cost of production. So the firm will not produce at all, because if the firm stops production, the loss will be much less, which is negative $100, than if the firm continues to produce, and the loss will be greater than $100. So I'm just going to say, take a look at these 3 situations here. When price is greater than average total cost, the firm will earn a profit and continue to produce. Case number 2, when the price is less than average total cost but greater than average variable cost, the firm will still continue to produce despite incurring a loss. Number 3, when the price is definitely less than average total cost and also less than average variable cost of production, it will stop production altogether. Alright, that's all with the mechanics and the graphs. Thank you very much.